Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today. Today in the daily newspaper of Tuesday. Yes, it's Tuesday, May the 7th, 2024. Not so good news today because we have only three regular puzzles again. Yes, we have the 3 stars, the 4 stars Sudoku, and the tectonic. Yes, aka JigSaw Sudoku. In today's newspaper, no extra puzzles. Let me show you. Yesterday also, no extra puzzles. So I hope tomorrow the publisher will publish an additional with extra puzzles. Otherwise, yeah, 2 days in a row with only 3 puzzles. Anyway, and Thursday is, I believe, Assassin's Day. Yeah. No newspaper. Yeah, no newspaper. All right. The first one. By the way, the news of today. Wow. The news of today. Let me see. I believe Putin is president for the 5th time in Russia. Yeah, for the 5th time. I read it there. That's the news. Come on. Mr. Putin. The 5th time. Yeah. The president. Look. Putin today for the 5th time. President of Russia. Yeah. Anyway, enough about Putin. Not so good person. Yeah. The first one, 3 stars Sudoku, and this will be number 8493. 8493. 8493. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Wow. This one has, I believe, 26 printed digits. Should be an easy one. If you compare with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 star Sudokus in the additional, this will be a 2 stars puzzle. 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. It's indicated with 3 stars. For 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes. Question is this a 3 stars or 2 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see, so let's get started. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are: the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing. 168, 168, 168, 168, and look, we have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. So the 1 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and the 6, 1 and the 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 1 goes there, so 1 is left in this big square. What am I? 8. 5 in this row, 5 in the, 5 in the last row, 5 in the row above, so that row, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the first column, no 5 there, 5 should be there. Then, 1, 2, 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are: 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 127, 127, 127, 127, and look, we have a 2 in this column, so no 2 in this box. 2 in the column next, so no 2 there. Only place left for 2 in this row, should be there. So 2 numbers left, 4 numbers 1 and the 7. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, 7 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next, in the last column. Only place left for 2 should be there. 99. Then, let me see, need a 7 here. Need 2 here. Need a 4 here. And need a 9 here. 9 in the first row, 9 in the second row, so in the third row. Only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the last column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9, 9. One in the third row, one in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the one should be there. Then 8, 8. Need 8 there. 2, 5, 2, 7, 6. Need a 6 here. Come on, come on, come on. Need a 6 here. Need a 6 there. 5, 5. Need a 5 there. Need a 5 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 in this box. 5 in the middle column, no 5 in these two boxes. So the 5 in this big square could be here. Could be there. We have a pair again. 5. We have a 5 in one of those two boxes. And a 6 in the first row. We have a 5 and a 6 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only two places left for the 5 and the 6 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 6 goes there. 5, 5. Alright. And now, 2. Need a 4 here. Need a 4 there. Need a 2 there. Come on, come on, come on, come on. 6, 5. 5. 7. Need a 7 here. 5, 7 in there. 3. Need a 3 here. 5, 7 and a 3. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. 3, 3. Well. How about the number? Need a 7 there. 4, 7, 2, 3. 7, 2, 3. 4, 7, 2, 3. No 7, 7, 7. Should be here. We need a 7 in the second row. Here can be 7. We have a 7 in this column, so no 7 there. So the 7 could be here, here, or there in the second row. We have a 7 in the first column and no 7 there. So the 7 could be here, could be there. Alright, now 7, 7. Yeah. The 7 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 in these 3 boxes. 7 in the middle column, no 7 in those 2 boxes. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. 7 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 7 in that row. So the row between the middle row, only 3 places left. The 7 should be here, here, or there. We have 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 could be here, could be there. And the 4 in this row, the 4 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left. The 4 could be here, could be there. 3, need a 9. 9 in this column, 9 in that column. Last column. So the column between, the only 3 places left. The 9 should be here, here, or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 could be here, could be there. 9. Come on. This is taking too long. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left. 2 could be here, could be there. 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left. 2 could be here, could be there. And we need a 4 in the middle column. Well, we have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. So the 4 goes together with the 2 as a pair. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in the middle column? 4 numbers, the 1, the 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 3 in the middle row. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. So last row, only 2 places left with 3. Could be here, could be there. Then 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left. The 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and I've eliminated there the 7, so the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square from us. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes early with a 5. We have a 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 1 box left in this column for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6, the 7 is missing. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, 3 is missing. Alright. So now, 4 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3. Yeah, in the first row, so no 3 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square. Should be there. Mark those 2 boxes with a 3. We have a 3 in the last column, so no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next on that column. Only 2 places level the 3. Could be here, could be there. And then these 3 missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, 5, 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 4, 7, 8. And look, we have a 4 in one of these 3 boxes in this row, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 2. Alright. So we have a 2 in this row, 2 in the third row, so in the row between the second row, only 3 place level 2 should be here, here, or there. We have a 2 in the first column, so no 2 there, so the 2 goes together with the 7 as a pair. These 2 missing numbers in this row are the numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, and the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means 1 digit left in this big square for the number. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 3 in this column, 3 in the third column, so the column between the second column. Only 2 places level the 3, could be here, could be there. And then, let me see. Need a 1 in this row, 1 in the last row, so the row between, only 3 places level 1 should be here, here, or there. We have a 1 in the second column, no 1 there. 1 could be here, could be there. Well, we have 1 in this row, 1 in that row, so the row between the middle row. Only 2 places level 1 should be here, or there. We have a 1 in the second column, no 1 there. 1 should be here. Mark those 2 boxes early with a 1. We have a 1 now in the first column, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. 2 numbers left now in the first column for the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing, 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 8 goes there. So, need an 8 here. And I need it here. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 6 and 8. We have 6 and 8 in this row, so no 6 and 8 in these 2 boxes. 6 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes, so I've eliminated here the 3. So the 3 should be there. So 1 digit left in this big square for the man. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 3. We have a 3 now in this row, so no 3 there. 3 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. We have a 7 in the last row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 and the 7, we have a 7 now in the second column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 4 and the 8, we have a 4 in the third column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in this column, third column for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright. Now, 8 and the 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 in the last column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7. 8 is missing, 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 9 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with the 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there, and I've eliminated there the 7, so the 7 goes there. 1 box left in the middle row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 8 and the 6. We have a 6 now in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And 8 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in the last column, so in column 3, the only place level 7 should be there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3. 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have 8 in the last column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 4 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Well, definitely a 2 stars. Well, maybe I talked too much in the beginning. Lost 3 minutes, but we solved it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the other 2 regular puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.